In this video, I'll be sharing about our recent experience at Raffles Dubai, so hopefully you'll find this useful if you're planning a stay here. The hotel lobby is very grand and welcoming with high ceilings and classy decor. It felt nice returning to this lobby each evening, and this was definitely one of the more beautiful hotel lobbies we have experienced so far. Raffles Dubai is also connected to Wafi City Mall, which makes it incredibly convenient for guests who want to do a little shopping, grab a quick bite, or visit Aya Universe. Wafi City Mall is pretty big, but of course nothing compared to the Dubai Mall. But I have to say that the stained glass ceilings are worth a special mention because just look at this. The hallways leading up to the rooms were also nicely lit and very beautiful. We booked the club twin room so we could enjoy complimentary afternoon tea and happy hour at the lounge each day of our stay. This room was very big and comfortable for my family of 4 with lots of space so everyone can be together but not feel overwhelmed and confined. The balcony was a great place to dry some small pieces of laundry overnight, and the low humidity in Dubai really helped to speed up the drying process. Back to the room, we have a little window here to peek into the bathroom. And there is a huge closet space near the entrance to store all your belongings as well. The bathroom was also huge with a nice tub, 2 sinks, and a separate toilet area and shower area. Of course, the fully stocked minibar items are overpriced, so we never touch them, but they're there if you need them, although with the Club Access, you really don't need to dig into the in-room minibar. These items here were complimentary, and the selection of teas were quite nice. Not all hotels offer club lounge access to younger guests, but Raffles Dubai is family-friendly in that aspect, offering the upper floor for families with children and the lower floor exclusively for adults. There's also a kids' playroom at the upper floor, so parents can sit back and relax with a drink or two while the little ones play. Breakfast is served at Azure, which is a buffet-style restaurant with additional cooked-to-order menu items available. They didn't have a lot of meat options served for breakfast, but there were lots of veggies and fruits, cheese, smoked salmon, cereals and grains, bread, and even a crepe station. I would still say it's a pretty decent spread despite the lack of meat options, but I'm not a big eater at breakfast, so I'm not too fussed about it. The raspberry croissant and Nutella crepe are my personal recommendations, and the Japanese-style pancakes off the menu was also quite nice if you have a sweet tooth like me. We didn't use the gym, but it looked pretty decent, and there's also a pool which we unfortunately missed, so I can't say much about it. Overall, Raffles Dubai was a solid 9.5 out of 10, and I would 100% like to stay here again while in Dubai.